Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four-star Sudoku in additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, December the 30th and 31st, 2023. Yes, today's last day of the year 2023. Today on Sunday. I've already solved one puzzle. Three puzzles are left. In this additional, we have the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in this one, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number. Let me zoom this in. Okay. 7710. 7710. 7710. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve that puzzle. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 2s. 1 3 4 4s, all right. 4 5s. Wow. 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 4 8s. Wow. And 2 9s. So the 4s, the 5s, and 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 4? Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for 4 should be here. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. How about the 5s then? Let me check for the 5s. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this row could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 5 in the last column. So no 5 there. 5 in the column next. No 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5 now. I need to wait. Yeah, need to wait. How about the 8 then? 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I need 8 here. And I need 8 there, so I cannot continue with 8 now. Yeah, I need to wait. Okay, other digit. How about need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay. We have 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this row could be here, could be there. So now we have a pair the 9 in one of those two boxes in this row and the 5 in this row. Yeah, the 9 in one of those two boxes in this row and the 5 in this row. We have a 5 and a 9 in the last row. So the row between the only two places left of a 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3, 6, 7. Okay. So what are these missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. That means two missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. Right. How about 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Okay. All right. Let me see. 1. We have 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 3, need a 9. 3, 9, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 there. 6 here. Yeah. 3 here. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 7. We have 3 and a 7 in the middle column, so no 3 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. So the 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Okay. Here, so 1, 2, 9. Well, here 1, 2, 9. Same for here in the third row. 1, 2, 9 are missing in the third row. Well, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third row for the number 9. Here 2 numbers left now for the numbers 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5, and the 6. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. Neither 1 here, okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, okay. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Well, I need to wait. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in this last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Same as there. 3, 6, 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So the 3 and the 6 are left. 3, 6, and the 2. We need a 2 here. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above from that row. The only 2 places left on 2. Could be here, could be there. 2, 3, and 6. 3, 6. We need a 7 here. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6. 3, 7. 3, 6. Okay. How about need an 8 here, need an 8 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1, could be there. Need a 6 here. 6, 2, need a 3, 3 here. 6, 3, and I need a 1. 6 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, and a 9. I need a 9 here. 9 and a 5. We already have a 9 here in the second column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. 8 in the third column. 8 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 in the column next, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay, and now 3, 6, 7, 3, 7, 3, 7. Well, in this column, those 3 missing numbers are 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. We have a 6 here, so 3 and a 7 should be there. Here also 3, 6, 7 in the last column. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. We have a 6 here, so 3 and a 7. 3, 6, 7. We have a 7 here. 3 and a 6. Okay. That means we have a pair here. And the other 3 missing numbers are the numbers. 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. Nope. Need a 2 here. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Again, and all the twos are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Okay. So here, 3 and a 6 are left. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. The last digit in the last column, here 3, 6, 7. We have a 3 and a 7, so this box should be a 6. So the 3 and a 7 are left here. Here, so 3 and a 7. These two boxes should be the 7 and a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 digit left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So these two should be the 6 and the 7 are missing. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 now in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 and a 7, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 and a 7, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so it should be a 2 stars puzzle instead of a 4 stars. Yeah, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.